In this video, I am going to present how you can use Avalon Offshore with your Iridium Go, and also how you are going to save a lot of communication time. We are going to take the example of a cruise from the Canarias Island to the Caribbean islands. So let's imagine that we have left the Canarias for already 12 hours and we would like to refresh our weather forecast. For such a cruise, the most appropriate source is the NOAA GFS 1 degree. So we will go in the source setup menu and we will select this source. So we click on NOAA, and in the list of sources I have a NOAA GFS 1 degree, which is specially compressed for Iridium transmission purposes. So I select this one. And I go back to the main menu. Then you have to switch on your Iridium Go and place it in an open space area. Then you have to connect to the Iridium network. In the main menu, I select my internet connection mode to Iridium. Then I have a small icon at the bottom of the screen that says Iridium Go. I click on it and I arrive to the Iridium Go management screen. I need first to check the status of the Iridium by clicking on Check Status. I see my Iridium is properly connected and my satellite signal is at 5, which is the maximum, so it's very good. I then connect to the internet by clicking on this Connect to Internet icon. My Iridium Go is now connected to the internet, so I can go back to Avalon to calculate the route. I click on Routing, then on Route Calculation, which is the third icon top right of the screen. Then I am now at Compute Route Parameters, so I will change a couple of those items. Time between the change, for example, 30 minutes is more appropriate for such a long cruise. Then my cruise duration, 72 hours, is okay because I will, let's say, get the winds over 72 hours. I need also to ensure that I am not going to use current, nor the other weather data, nor the waves, because those sources are not yet ready to be transferred by Iridium. It's too heavy. And also, I click on Start at my position so that I do not have to enter the latitude and longitude of my boat. The system will take it automatically. Then I click on Compute Route. Avalon informs us that it will transmit about 63 kilobytes of data that will take a little bit over 6 minutes to be downloaded to the tablet. Established winds and gusts will be provided degree by degree and 3 hours per 3 hours. In case the satellite connection interrupt occurs, Avalon is also able to restart automatically the connection without losing any of the data that has been already transmitted. Once the winds are downloaded, the route is very quickly calculated. As I have set the travel duration to 72 hours, the route has been calculated on only 72 hours. It is of course possible to download 384 hours of wind data, but it will take between 20 and 30 minutes to get downloaded to the system. Let's start looking at the route. So I have for every route point heading, wind, gust, TWA, TWS, TWD, recommended sail set, and also the heeling information. You can really anticipate very well the position of the anticyclones and also the depression over the full passage to the Caribbean. This presentation is now over. Thanks for watching.